This is the tutorial video for the Mike HODL Profit Loss Calculator. At the top, we have a toggle button to select between shares and options. For this tutorial, we will use shares. Here is a link to the tutorial video for the Profit Loss Calculator, which is likely how you found this video. Profit Loss Calculator. Calculate your profit or loss from a trade position. Here you have 3 entry fields and a section where you can select your calculation method. Let's explain. First field, average cost. Here you would put the average cost of the shares in your position. Next, you would put the number of shares in your position or desired position. Then you choose whether to calculate profit or loss based on price change or percentage change. In this field, you enter the current or target price. This can be either the current price of the stock or your target price. Let's put in some values for an example. The average cost will be $30. We'll say 12 shares. We want to start with the calculation method by price change, and the target price, we'll say if this stock goes up to $33.50. Now you want to press Calculate. Here you get your results and your trade details. This is showing that based on the price change, this trade position would be profitable by $42. It also shows the percentage here. It would be 11.67% profitable. Here are your trade details. It shows the current or the target price at which that profit and loss would be true. It shows how much the trade cost, total cost basis, and then it shows the current market value. So you would have paid $360 for this position, but the position would currently be worth $402. Always double-check the calculations when using these tools. Mike HODL is not liable for any trades that you enter using these tools. Now, here is a little pencil icon. You can click on this and you can change that value. You can also select whether you want that to be profit or loss, just so you can get the trade details to look at this position from all angles. That's where the benefit from this tool comes in. So let's just say I'm looking to make $55 off of this position. It's going to be profit, not loss. We submit by hitting the check button. And so it shows that that is a positive 15.28% increase. It shows here that we edited the information, so now the current target price will be $34.58. We know that that's the price at which we would make $55 off of our current position. And then it shows you the market value would be worth $415. There's a note here that says, changes made to the profit-loss value have affected the trade details, and you can see exactly what was affected. Down at the bottom, we have About this calculator, we have an example scenario, and we have the value in your trading strategy. Take the time to read over these and get more familiar with this calculator. And that sums it up for the Mike HODL Profit Loss Calculator.